I am taking one example where we will diagnose that which principle addition or multiplication will be applicable. So the most important funda to solve the problem is read the problem very carefully twice or thrice. How many words with or without meaning can be made out from the word Krishna? So the question is, if these words, these letters are reshuffled as many times you want, in what way you want, then how many words are possible? This is the question. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 distinct letters used in the writing Krishna. So first of all, we need how many places? 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I say this is the position number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. In how many ways first position can be filled? Out of 7, firstly I have choice to opt any of the letter, that is in 7 ways. Then in the second place 6 ways. Then on next place, because what letter I have used on the first place I have 7 choices, any of K, R, I, S, H, N or A. Out of these 7, any one of the letter can be used. Then whatever is used, I cannot repeat because I have to use all the letters together. Then on the second position, one letter which is used is less. So 6, then 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So the question, the product of this can be written as factorial 7. So this is a basic question where none of the principle is going to apply. A very ordinary way we are thinking that in how many ways or what is the total number of arrangements is possible. You must know arrangement stands for permutations and selection stands for the combinations. So this answer of arranging and finding the total number of words can be made from the letters of the word in the Krishna is factorial 7. I am taking another example, that in how many ways we can select one ball out of 3 red, 4 black or 5 green. That is, if there is a bag having 3 red balls, 4 black balls and 5 green balls. That is, one compartment having 3 red balls, another compartment of the bag having 4 black balls and the last compartment having how many balls? That is the 5 green balls we have. How many balls we would like to select? We would like to select only one ball. That is, either the ball will be of red color or will be of black color or it will be of the green color. So the problem is giving us to give a thought that which principle is applicable. We are selecting one ball. In one box 3 red balls, in another box 4 black balls, in another box 5 green balls. So if we would like to select ball of red color, what is meaning by this? That we are having 3 choices. Similarly, if I want to opt a ball of black color, I have 4 options, and if I want to select a ball of green colors, I have 5 options. So the question is, either we will take a red ball or we will take a black ball or we will take a green ball. So here how many ways? Total number of ways of selecting the ball is either a red or a black or a green. So this will be 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12 ways. So it is very simple to read and then to identify that which principle is applicable. Suppose if I extend this question, that if you want to select 3 balls, one of red color, that is what? 3, and one of 4 out of 4, that is black, that means into 4, and one of green, that is into 5. So whenever we are saying that and word is coming, that we are multiplying the principle of multiplication. If or word, either or is coming, we are multiplying the principle of addition. So there is no issue that which principle is applied. Read, think and identify. So this become, if one ball either red or black or green is required, it is 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12 way. And if there is a possibility to take 3 balls, one of each color, that's mean one red and one black and one green, that is sign of multiplication. So this is coming what? 5, 4 is 20, 3 is 60. So this is principle of multiplication and this is the principle of addition as per requirement of the question. This part I have extended to differentiate the two principles. Now I am taking one more example where we will identify that which principle is required to use. Given 7 flags of the different colors, we have 7 flags, each is of different color. How many different signals can be made out if 2 flags of the different color are used? And if 3 colors of the three different flags are used. Question is that we have 7 flags, 1, second type 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6 and then 7. These 7 flags are distinguishable, maybe of different color or whatever. It is written different color, it means that 7 flags of the different color. If a signal is required to generate, and in making in that signal, if 2 flags are required. So in the first case, if I say 2 flags are required, means on the upper part of the flag of the signal, what choices we have? We can use any of the 7 flag. But whatever flag is used, it means that to make a signal, same we do not have and we cannot use. For the second one, we have 6 choices. So to make a signal, when we are using the 2 flags of different color, we are obtaining the answer 7 into 6 is equals to 42. First thing. The second, in continuation of that, if I use 3 flags, so it is first flag, it is the second, it is the third. So how many choices I have here? 7. How many I have here? 6. How many I have here? 5. That means 7, 6 is 42, 5 is 210. So we can make 210 signals if we use 3 flags at a time. And we can make 42 signals if we are using how many? That 2 flags, 2 different flags at a time. So this is very simple, not a difficult, just to identify and apply the method of principle as per the requirement of the question.